The hazards of polyester's environmental impact. In 1975, there were some 3.37 million metric tons of polyester fibers produced worldwide. By 2020, global polyester fiber production increased to 57.1 million metric tons. The fastest growing regional market for polyester is China. It holds the largest production volume of polyester in the world, hence exporting polyester to the US, India, Vietnam, and many more countries. India is also not much behind in polyester production. Over the last 6 years, India went up from just over 5 million tons to well over 10 million tons by 2020. Polyester is found in approximately 60% of garments on retail shelves today. This polyester sheds plastic filaments, possibly from daily wear and tear but also in the wash. These filaments can make it into sewer system and eventually into waterways. According to a study in 2016, researchers found plastic fibers in the samples collected from 29 tributaries of the Great Lakes in the United States. These fibers make up 70% of all the plastic collected. It is absorbed by the wildlife and makes its way up to the food chain. Health impact. Polyester was first created in 1930, not by a textile mill, but an American chemical company named DuPont. It was first introduced to the American public in 1951. It was advertised as a miracle fiber that could be worn for 68 straight days without ironing and still look great and presentable. In 1958, another polyester fiber called Cordel was developed by Eastman Chemical Products Incorporation. In short, the polyester market kept expanding without any break. One issue we never think about while buying our clothes is how toxic and harmful for our health that piece of fabric could be. We usually shop more and more for fabrics that are meant to make our lives easier, such as the wrinkle-free, stain-resistant, and insect-repellent fabrics. But what we don't know is that those fabrics are a great source of toxins that unfavorably affect our health and the environment. Chemicals present in such clothes can enter the human body via dermal absorption. They can also enter via evaporation. And sometimes due to wear and tear, inhalation and ingestion can help these chemicals to enter and affect our body. Being petroleum-based, polyester is also flammable. Many polyester fabrics are coated with flame-retardant chemicals, especially in children's clothing. These chemicals have been associated with a thyroid dysfunction in pregnant women and interfering with neurological development in children and infants too. In addition, researchers confirmed that plenty of health conditions and diseases come from the excessive wear of polyester fabrics. Generating problems such as skin cancer and other types of cancer, chronic and severe respiratory infections, as well as skin problems such as rashes, itching, redness, and dermatitis. Some disorders such as reduced sperm count and behavioral changes are also associated with the constant wearing of polyester clothes. All in all, the fashion and textile industry should together move towards sustainable alternative fibers and fabrics in order to prevent potential health and environmental hazards caused by these toxic materials like polyester.